Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Gastronomic Delights by LB. Today's recipe is Swiss rosti or potato pancakes or aloo ka chila as you like to call it. Rosti is a very popular breakfast dish in Switzerland which uses grated potatoes, and it is baked to a perfection that it is soft from inside and crisp outside. Today I'll be making an Indianized version of Swiss rosti that we can eat in Navratras or during the fast. So the main ingredient for rosti is potatoes. We need approximately 2 potatoes for 1 rosti, some chopped coriander and green chilies, rock salt or sendha namak, some red chilies, and some kuttu ka atta. Kuttu ka atta is an optional ingredient. Authentically in Switzerland, no flour is used in rosti. We also need some oil and butter. Let's start with the recipe. Take 2 potatoes and just peel and grate them. These are raw potatoes, these are not boiled potatoes. So you can just grate the potatoes and put them in a bowl and add chopped coriander and green chilies. There is a tip while grating potatoes. So you have to grate the potatoes as coarse as possible. It should not be very fine and very thin. Ideally use the coarse grater with big holes to grate potatoes. Now add the flour to the batter. So I've added the flour to the mixture because I wanted flour to absorb little moisture from the potatoes, and you can avoid the flour if you like. Now add red chili powder and salt. I'm using sendha namak or rock salt here. You can also use ordinary salt if you are not fasting. Now mix the batter well. Hot a pan or a tawa and grease it with little oil or butter. Using the hand, just spread the potato mixture on the tawa. So you can see it is a very thick batter, and we don't want rosti to be very thin. It has to be little thick. So just using the hand, spread the batter wisely on the pan or a tawa. So just spread it gently, and you can just try to give it a round shape. You can take a spoon and just give it a round shape and make the edges fine. Otherwise this is okay like this as well. You don't have to shape it well, and we'll just let it cook now for some time. You can see grated potatoes are looking so fine. Each and every potato looks so good. Do make sure that don't make it very thin. It has to be little thick, so that it is crisp outside. The outside are crisp and inside it is little mushy and it is little soft. You can also use cheese in the batter. Cheese will also enhance the flavor of the rosti. So cheese can also be added to the batter. Just cover it for some time and cook it on a medium flame. It will take around 5 to 7 minutes to cook on one side. You can see it has been cooked from one side. So ideally the process of cooking rosti is it has to be cooked with cover on one side, and then it has to be turned on other side, and it is cooked without putting a cover on it. So now I'm gonna flip it. It's little soft, so I'm using a plate to flip it on the other side. I don't want it to break. It is really soft, so be little careful while flipping it on the other side. Cook it from the other side at medium to high flame, and don't cover it. So if you cover it now, it will not be crisp. So to make it crisp, we don't have to cover it when we flip it. So my rosti is almost cooked. You can see, I'll just flip it and show it to you. So you can see the potatoes is very crisp from outside. It's very soft from inside. This is also a very good gluten-free dish, and you can also use this dish to make a tawa pizza or pan pizza. You can make this as a base of your pizza. Just put some toppings and some cheese, and you'll just like it. It will be a very good potato based pizza. Now my rosti is done. You can see it is very crisp from outside and very soft and creamy from inside. Ideally it is served with cheese or even eggs, but I'm serving it with normal coriander mint chutney. Now I'm gonna taste it. It looks amazing. It's really soft from inside, and I can see the crust is very crisp. You can see the grated potato on the top, and inside it is really soft and mushy. So do try this Indianized version of Swiss rosti when you are fasting or even when you are not fasting, and let me know if you like it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe for more interesting recipes.